So I just got to the hotel right now, and I'm gonna show you exactly what I mean about getting into large commercial contracts for your window cleaning business or construction business. It doesn't really matter. You just need to be in the service business. If you wanna know how to do big buildings like this, we're about to go on the roof so I can tell you kind of how, and we can get into more detail. But check it out. If you are in the service industry, you need to listen to me clearly, okay? This is what's going to change your life. I used to do small little contracts all the time, and it was a struggle, okay? When I used to do little storefronts like this and not get the whole building, I wasn't able to get paid. I wasn't able to build my business. I wasn't able to take my business to the next level. You need to know how to take your business to the next level so you can take it to a whole nother direction. This is service contract heaven, okay? I'm a window cleaner and a pressure washer, and I'm proud to say it. And I created Overcomer Academy to show all of you guys how to do buildings like this one behind me. This is one of the biggest hotels in all of Anaheim, okay? And Anaheim is actually Disneyland. That is Disneyland right there, okay? We do all of these hotels in this area. About 80% of the whole district here, we do all of these big ass large commercial contracts. If you want to do large commercial contracts like this one, okay, you can get started on that account tomorrow. And no, you don't need to drop off the roof to do it. If you're a window cleaner or if you're a pressure washer, you could be taking care of the big ass patios and all the pavers out there. Or if you're an aspiring entrepreneur, this is an amazing business idea. I know exactly how to get your foot in the door at these properties, and I'm gonna show you how. Click the link below, and I'm gonna go ahead and set you up and get you situated, okay? Or shoot me a message.